Hi class, this is Course 2, Lesson 13, Problems About Equal Groups. So, we've been talking about combining and separating and comparing and elapsed time, and now we have equal group problems. So the plot type, remember, that's just the story or the words that you would be reading. It's equal groups, and the equation that you would write would be the number of groups times the number in the group, and that's going to give you the total. So the book will use the equation n times g equals t, and remember these are all variables, so you can use whichever letter you want. Sometimes it makes sense to use the letter that stands for the item that you're looking for in your problem. Okay, so let's see a problem. So here's an example, and I'd like you to write this in your notebooks, please. Sally packed 8 batteries in each box. If she filled 23 boxes, how many batteries did she pack in all? Okay, so this is an equal groups problem. If you'd like to try to figure it out on your own, you may pause the video and resume when you're ready. Otherwise, I'm going to work it out right now. We have 8 batteries. So I'm going to circle this because this is important to me. 8 batteries in each box, and she filled 23 boxes. Okay, so we have 8 groups, 23 in each group. Okay, or you can look at it the other way, because remember multiplication is commutative, so it could be 23 groups if we think of the boxes as the groups, and 8 batteries in each group, or 8 batteries, 8 groups packed into 23 different boxes, 23 numbers in the group. Either way, it's fine, and that would equal your total. So you'd only need one of those. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so you just work that out. 23 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 18. So you'd have 184 batteries. Okay, let's try another example. So here's another one. Tickets to the concert are $8 each. The total ticket sales were $152. How many tickets were sold? Okay, so again we have some important information, and if you want to try to pause this and then see if you know what you're doing, that's fine. I'm going to work it out right now. We know that we have tickets, $8 each, and we know the total ticket sales were $152, and we want to know how many tickets were sold. Okay, so each ticket is going to cost $8, so we have $8 times the number of tickets is going to equal our total, 152. And remember, this is money. I'm just not going to put the money in there, the dollar signs in there yet. So this is each ticket costs $8. So you can think of the number of groups, that'd be the number of tickets, and the number in each group would be like the cost, $8 per ticket. So remember that when you're missing a factor, you always divide. So we need to divide 8 into 152. 8 would go into 15 one time. And we're going to subtract and get 72, and 8 times 9, I know, is 72. So it's 19, and then we need to label this. T stood for tickets, so 19 tickets. And it's not money anymore because this is how many tickets, and the number of tickets is just number of tickets. Okay, so that's it for equal groups. Short and sweet video today. I'll see you in class.